Okay folks, so I've gotten a little behind on my videos here. Got quite a bit of work done on this 2004 Monaco Camelot rebuild that I bought from Copart. I'm gonna try to piece in a little bit of some of my older videos here and try to catch you guys up. I've probably got about 4 or 5 videos worth of material to show you here, but anyways, I think we'll start with how I got the windshields installed and back up a little bit on how I got these Velvac mirrors modified to fit this coach. So see how it goes here. So here's some mirrors I bought at Vizone, the RV salvage yard. They came off a, I don't know, probably a Monaco or some other kind of coach. They're Velvac mirrors, but these have 3 adjustable mirror segments in each mirror. The originals that were on this coach, which I didn't get, they must have broke off in the accident, but they only had 1 mirror section that was movable, and they had heaters in them and the lights. So these obviously are heated also, but I got a really good deal on these. They're not perfect. I got some chrome damage. I'm either going to get re-chromed or paint those sections. But anyways, figured I'd try to make them work. Now the wiring was different. I had to pull more wires, add some switches to be able to control all 3 sections of the mirrors. But anyways, we'll see. So here's my custom fly cutter I made to cut my mirrors to the proper radius. Mirrors were maybe a 12-inch radius, and I needed an 8-inch radius to fit the coach. So I had this disc, and I made this arbor to fit in my old Bridgeport a couple years ago. I put a cutter in here, a counterweight and a cutter, made a kind of a homemade fly cutter to cut some race car heads. But so I'm repurposing this. I had this old boring bar of some sorts out of from a place I used to work. There was something they were throwing out, so I milled a flat on it and drilled and tapped a couple holes in it and bolted it to this disc. And then I welded on this old used, I don't know, some kind of specialized cutter from some machine at work. It was in the bin to toss, so it was probably not very sharp. But anyways, it's got a carbide tip in it, so I TIG welded that onto this steel shaft. And it's 8 inches from here to here. And mounted this in my mill, and that's what we're going to use to cut the mirror bases. So that installs here and then spins around this way. It's kind of sketchy, but got to do what you got to do. Okay, so I got 1 mirror done using this homemade fly cutter type tool, and got that cut to an 8-inch radius. The original radius is more like 10 or 12, so still got to do this one. But take this off and show you what these look like. Alright, so here you should be able to see the difference in the radius. I'll show you on the coach the space wouldn't have worked. And I don't know, these are pretty expensive to buy new, and I like to try to save money where I can, so made up this little fixture, and it's a little sketchy, but it worked. So show you how it fits. You can see here these mirrors, there's a gap, they don't match the mirror bases. So this one I just machined hopefully fits perfect now. Oh yeah, that's absolutely perfect. All right, so that worked out pretty good. So I gave up on trying to mount my windshields. I was just afraid I was going to break them. Got them here from Coach Glass in Elkhart, Indiana. So it's just too tough. I don't have the right tools, and so got a local company coming, and they're going to put the glass in, and we'll see how it goes. Probably could have got it. The dash was holding that out.
Get it locked down so it helps holes, and then try and do some shifting.
Hey, you know what? I think I might have you guys shoot some just in this corner of that urethane on the seal to the body. Okay. Because I'm just looking at it here, and
How far up you want us to go?
wherever she quits sticking, probably another 6-8 inches up there, because this is pretty. Okay, so I'm getting ready to put these mirrors on. As you saw earlier, I modified these mirror bases to match the radius of this particular coach. Cut some foam gasketing, and see if I can get this put up here. So I had to get a drill bit in here and remove a little bit of the wood out of the lower dash panel to be able to get this larger connector from these 3-section mirrors through there. So I got that all hogged out, and go ahead and try to put this up here, I guess. Stainless steel screws threading in through some wood, and there's an aluminum backing plate and a couple layers of fiberglass. So I think they'll still hold okay. If the guy had to, you could drill through and put nuts back there, but it'd be a tough job to get to them. Chrome's a little damaged, but paid $200 for the pair of them. And to buy brand new mirrors for this coach, you know, you're talking thousands of dollars to replace them. So I rewired my switches so that I have all 3 positions now. I added one extra toggle switch to go from top, middle, and bottom mirror sections on each side. So I've already tested them. That all works pretty good. So for now, these are the mirrors I'm going to go with. Someday, if I wanted to buy new ones or get sections of them re-chromed, I guess I could, but we'll see how it looks when the whole thing's done and put together and cleaned up. Might look okay the way it is. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so there it is.
too bad looking, I guess. I'll get that reflector off and get them adjusted. See how they work.